Hey everyone, Ray from loveyourrv.com, and today I'm finally getting around to trying out my new Instant Pot. Picked this up a few months ago. Main reason I picked this up is I wanted something to be able to cook meals in during the summer when it's really hot. You know, when you got to run your air conditioning, it gets really hot and you can't use the gas oven. I really love cooking with the gas oven and using the gas cooktop. That's usually the way I do the cooking. I do most of the cooking in our family, actually. So anyway, what I wanted, this was for the hot summer months. So I picked this up, I think I paid about $69.95. This is a little three-quart version, the smallest of the Instant Pots. They're just anodized, so we didn't really need the big one. And for storage purposes, I wanted to get the smallest one. So this thing does a lot of things. I think it's a 7-in-1. They call it a multi-use programmable cooker. We got slow cooking, a rice cooker, steamer, food warmer, and the big one is pressure cooking. That's really what I wanted it for. I've had slow cookers and rice cookers, but the pressure cooking speeds up the cooking quite a bit. Saute, and then yogurt maker. Interesting. Anyway, let's get this apart and see what's in this box. So here's what we got inside this puppy. It's a recipe book. This is the instruction manual here, and also kind of a quick reference guide for programming it, getting started, and some accessories, a couple nifty little spoons. This thing looks like I think it's a reservoir for extra water that comes out, and measuring cup, cord, and here's the Instant Pot itself. This is the Duo Mini, it's called. Twist, opens up. Looks like some pretty good stainless steel in there. Kind of tray. Nice heavy stainless steel cooking bowl with a pretty heavy duty bottom on it. Okay. So the build quality looks pretty good on it. It says getting started. Place steam release handle on lid, install condensation collector, back a cooker, and they want me to put in, do a test run with 3 measuring cups full of water. So we'll go through that, and then I want to get on to my first thing I want to cook. I'm going to cook up some country style ribs. I want to do this recipe I saw that used Coca-Cola. So we'll go through and do that, see how it works out. So I've got it set up here on the counter. The cord isn't very long, so it's lucky that my rig has a plug right here in the kitchen. Reaches nicely. So I put 3 cups of water in there. Put the lid on here. Oh, made a little sound. Huh. There we go. Got the lid tight. It says this thing we want it. There's venting and sealing in the sealing position, and we'll give it its first cycle. I'll just read what I got to do here. Okay, so it says press steam button and then put 2 minutes in there. Okay. So it says after 10 seconds it should come on. Okay, so I noticed I made a major screw up already. No wonder it was taking so long to get to 2 minutes. I was actually getting to 2 hours. Let's try that again. Okay, that's more like it. That's kind of a boneheaded thing. Guess I'm too used to my microwave having seconds and minutes. Okay, we'll let her go 2 minutes and see what we get. Lots of other little programs here. You got soup and broth, automated program, meat and stew, bean chili, rice, porridge, and this steam, so you want to steam vegetables. Here's the yogurt. You can delay start it, so you want to set it, you go out and you, like, for when you come back, everything's ready. We got saute and slow cook and pressure cook. There we go. I just guess it finished its 2-minute cycle. Now it's in the keep warm mode. So now we'll just cancel that. And I think from the instructions, you're supposed to turn this thing over to venting. To use gloves or something. Let's just see. Oh. That's hot steam, so you don't want to put your hands in front of it, or especially your face. Let it continue venting there. This gets a little hot. This metal part up here gets quite hot. Sides aren't too hot to touch, but the top part is. Okay, so we should be able to open it now. There we go. Yeah, working good. Nice steamy water. I wonder if it boils eggs. Anyway, I'm going to get to work and make some country-style pork ribs. And I found a recipe on the old YouTube there that uses Coca-Cola. It looked pretty good. It's one thing about this Instant Pot. I'm probably the last person on earth to get one. Seems like everybody has one of these and raves about them, but there's all sorts of online blogs and YouTube videos with tons and tons of recipes, so that's really cool. Angie's doesn't care yet. She's not interested in steaming water, but wait till those ribs get in there, then she'll bounce up. Okay, got my secret recipe all mixed up. Coca-Cola, Sweet Baby Ray's, yeah. Garlic salt, yeah, crushed chilies, like a little spice in there, and some peppercorns. So I've got about 6 country ribs in there. I'm still below, there's a thing in there that says you don't want to fill it more than a certain line, pressure cooker max. So, let's put the old lid on again. That's backwards. There we go. Go closed. Put this thing back on sealing, and let's go here. Pressure cook, one on high. Let's try 30 minutes. That's what the guy did in the recipe. Okay, I'll wait 30 minutes, come back and let you know what happened. Oh, are you all interested in what's going on now? Yeah, something smells really good up there. Well, it finished its 30-minute pressure cooking cycle, and then it went into keep warm mode. It's been doing that for 6 minutes, so we'll pop it apart and see what we have. When I popped the top, there was quite a bit of splattering went on. I had to take it really easy and really slow, let the pressure release. Could have been that I used Coke. I should have let the Coke go flat. I could put the Coke in right away. Got a lot more gas in there. Okay, so let's see what... Oh, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Steamy. So we'll get those out of there and put some more sauce on them and get them on the barbecue. What do you think of that, Beagle? Oh, yeah. Okay. So let's coat a little more Sweet Baby Ray's on there. Let them heat up and caramelize a bit and get all yummy. Yeah. Someone's losing her little beagle mind over there. Oh my god! It smells so good. Yeah, so they're literally just falling off the bone. They're gonna be so yummy. Those turned out excellent. Oh, so good. Anne's out on her boat right now. Wait till she comes home. With some tasty ribs. Anyway, so far so good with the Instant Pot. It's a hit with me. What I'm going to do, rather than get too much into an in-depth review, it's been done 1,000 times on the internet. But what I'm going to do is do some tests with my inverter. This model says it puts out 700 watts, or needs 700 watts to run. My inverter's 1,000 watts, so I should be able to test with my inverter. And I'll test on maybe one of these 30-minute pressure cooking cycles, and maybe I'll do, like, you know, a 4-hour or so slow cooker cycle, and I'll unhook all my charging, my charge converter and my solar panel. So I'll start with 100% battery power, and we'll see how many amp hours I lose running the old Instapot here. It'll be an interesting test. So stay tuned for that. Until next time. Oh, we gotta give the beagle some. She's been losing her mind like crazy. A little bit of beagle stuff here. There, some of this gooey stuff. There you go. Okay, beagle. Wait. Ah! No, wait. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Sit pretty. There you go. Speak. Speak.
Oh.
Speak.
Oh.
That's your best speak. Speak bigger.
Oh.
Lay down. Okay. Okay. Yes. I'll have to see if the beagle approves of it. Yeah, I'm thinking it gets the beagle approval. Definitely. Till next time, Ray from LoveYourRV.com. Cheers, everyone.